You're watching TV in your pajamas when suddenly the front door opens, and it's your landlord. Can they do that? Is it legal for your landlord to enter your apartment without notice? Quick disclaimer, this video is for general informational purposes only and isn't a substitute for legal advice. Laws vary by state, and if you're facing this issue, you should speak with an attorney about your specific situation. Hi, I'm Nikki. I'm an attorney with over 10 years experience practicing real estate law in New York City. On this channel, I break down real-life legal questions to help renters, homeowners, and everyday people better understand their rights. Today, we're talking about when and if your landlord can legally enter your apartment. In most cases, no. Your landlord cannot just walk into your apartment without notice. Even though they own the property, you have the legal right as a tenant to exclusive possession during your lease. That means once you're renting the place, it's legally your home, and your landlord can't come and go as they please. Landlords are usually allowed to enter only for specific, limited reasons, and typically only after giving reasonable notice. Common reasons include repairs or maintenance, inspections, showing the unit to prospective tenants or buyers, emergencies like a fire or water leak, or a court order. What counts as reasonable notice varies. In many states, it's 24 hours. In others, it might just need to be reasonable under the circumstances. If there's an emergency, like a fire, flooding, or a suspected gas leak, your landlord can usually enter without notice to protect the property or your safety. But for anything else, they almost always need to notify you ahead of time. Notice should generally be in writing, state the reason for entry, and include the date and time or a reasonable window. Text or email usually counts unless your lease says otherwise. And unless it's urgent, your landlord shouldn't just show up unannounced. If your landlord enters without notice and it's not an emergency, that could be a violation of your lease or tenant privacy laws. Depending on where you live, you may be entitled to file a complaint with your local housing authority, send a written notice asking your landlord to stop, or in serious cases, bring a claim for harassment or constructive eviction, or even pursue damages in small claims court. Document everything: dates, times, photos, and messages. The more you have in writing, the stronger your case. Laws around landlord entry vary a lot by state and even city. Unless in an emergency, most states will require reasonable notice. Typically 24 hours, although again, this will vary by state. Remember, your landlord can't treat your apartment like their own space once you moved in. You have rights to privacy, peace, and possession. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what legal topic you want to hear about next.